Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I think this is part 8, and I promise you it's the last one. I thought I'd show how you could also, I've shown how you could change the font or the text by name. I've showed you how to you could change it uh, by different fonts. Now I'm going to show you how you could change it by changing the same font, but just making it bolder over this 273 name badges. So once again, we're going to go to Edit, Find and replace object, replace text properties. Next, it's still gonna be Arial, but this time we want to go Arial and we want to change the weight to bold. Finish, find all, and once again you can watch Corel work as it's going through, and basically it's reading all the Arial fonts before it changes it. Now this is going to take about 10 seconds, 15 seconds. But how much time would that save you if you had to go through there and save or check them individually? So now we have gone from a Arial font to a bold Arial font. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.